Hi all. In the previous lecture we have studied about control statements and what are the different classifications that you have in the control statement, and then we have studied one type of selection statement called as if else. Now we are moving to another kind of selection statement, that is else if ladder, or it can also be called as if else ladder. Now, now consider that you're going to do a program where a few lines should be executed for a certain condition and another few lines should be executed for a different condition. So in these cases you cannot go for if else statement. The only way that you can solve this is by using the if else ladder. So if else if ladder can be used if you have multiple conditions or test expressions to be checked. So I will give you an example here. Think of a program where I'm going to read two numbers from the user, and the number that is read from the user, if it is same, it should print like the numbers are same. Or if the first number is greater than the second number, it should print like the first number is the biggest one. Or you can print like first number is greater than the second number. And if the second number is greater than the first number, it should print like the second number is greater than the first number. So here we have three conditions to be checked. That is, the first condition is check whether the numbers are equal. If that condition is failed, the next condition that we have to check is the first number is greater than or greater than the second number. If that condition is also failed, you have to go for the third one, that is second number is greater than the first one. So you have multiple conditions here. This cannot be done in if else statement. It can only be done using if else if ladder. So the syntax for if else if ladder is, you can see on the screen. First you will check with the if statement, that is the first condition that you are going to check. If that condition is satisfied, it will execute statement 1 and statement 2. But if the first condition is failed, it will go to the else if part where the second condition is checked. If that condition is satisfied, it will be executing the statement 3 and statement 4. Later, if these two conditions are failed, it can go to the else statement. Or if you want to check another condition, you can put another else if statement and you can check that condition. So this is how an if else if ladder is working. We will see a program in the next lecture. Thank you.